Chris Martin about to drop You Never Find. Something different about this one. The singer in reset mode as he sets his sights on the bigger picture. Smooth sound, familiar flow on such latter-day lovers rock standards as Chill Spot and Cheetah's Prayer.
Oh Lord, don't let me cheat on my girlfriend.
Chris Martin bankable and dependable, but hungry for more, this time on the global stage.
I think we need some feel-good energy in the industry. The history of reggae and Jamaican music, we always have a good blend of different sounds, and I think the timing is perfect.
Shaggy's Hot Shot sold over 9 million copies, thanks in part to producer Robert Livingston, who's now focusing his industry insight on Chris Martin. There's shared history on earlier projects, Big Yard Home since 2005, but Robert geared up now to market Martin.
I think all his songs are great, I like them, but I just think some of them are very limited, and he needs to do more of the one song that people really like him on a bigger scale, like love songs. We got to put the engine and the machine behind this with the new vibes, a reinvention of the Christopher Martin style and push him to the next level. Now I think that I really look at him and I'm like, Chris, it's time now you make this move. It's time. It's a chance. He's an artist. He might change as well as he might not.
When in general talk, we listen.
What did he say?
He's a singer, you need to bigger than where you're right now. Him say you have all of the ingredients, you have everything that is necessary for you to be on that level. So what is stopping you? We've been all over the world. We performed on many grand stages, so performance isn't an issue.
What do you think was stopping you?
Well, I don't know. Everybody mindset different. I probably got complacent and comfortable. Like, I'm at a place in my life where I don't really have a lot to worry about.
Chris in reset mode, starting with You Never Find.
It's fresh. It's fresh and it's catchy. The hook is infectious.
It's sing-along, the melody, and everyone has a relationship that goes and comes. Everyone could relate. Once you cover that in a song and the people think, he didn't let us down, he put some things in there that we could feel good. Because if you notice how Lionel Richie play a piano, it's not just playing the piano, it's the notes he's singing and holding. He put feelings into his fingers before he touched it. Otherwise, you're not going to get that sound.
I'm back to my lovers kind of vibes, but in a different kind of mood, a different kind of tempo, a different kind of swing. You don't make it too difficult to singy where you have to be a singer to really sound good if you're singing it. The melodies and the cadences, everything just fall into place, man. If you listen to Top 40, if you listen to the Hot 100, you kind of hear what the masses are listening to, you understand? And there has to be some kind of fusion. So you have to make that change. If you want to compete on that level, you have to make that change. I've probably done everything that I can do as it relates to the diaspora, Jamaican, and the people who supported me throughout the years. We're making that little evolution now. Changing the music, changing the sound, changing the songwriting to appeal to a broader audience.
And also tweaking his image.
Like when I have my friends and my friends will be around me and I say, singer, you dress the right way and everything, but you still look like me, You have to change, man. We are dealing.
If people get used to you looking one way, and a kid just come tomorrow and start looking at you and look back at your history and like, this guy's not growing, he's not evolved. You just say one way. Everybody needs to do that. Even at your people who's not famous have to reinvent themselves. Going to the office, you can't look the same way every day.
No, I don't look like any of my friends. You know what I mean? Yeah, so the hair is different, the vibe is different, the whole energy is different, you understand? And my inners feel different. When you have like a gut feeling of something grand is going to happen, and you just know in yourself that you're preparing for it. Yeah.
94 FM, good afternoon.